Your family wants to help with closing costs? That's awesome. Just don't let the paperwork kill your VA deal. Getting help from family can make a huge difference when you're buying a home, and the VA loan allows it, as long as you follow the rules. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, and in this video, we're talking about how to use gift funds on a VA loan. Who can give you money, how it needs to be documented, and the common mistakes that can cause delays or denials. Let's break it down. What are gift funds and why do they matter? Gift funds are when someone gives you money to help with buying your home. Usually it's a parent, grandparent, or a close family member. Sometimes it's for closing costs, moving expenses, or even repairs. With a VA loan, you often don't need a down payment, but gift funds can still be a huge help for those extra costs. They can reduce your out-of-pocket expenses, help you qualify if reserves are needed, or simply make your purchase smoother. But here's the key, you have to document everything. So what are the rules for a VA loan with gift funds? The VA allows gift funds, but there are strict guidelines. Here's what the lender will need. Eligible donor. This is the person giving the gift. They must be a relative, a close friend, or some sort of relation. Friends are a case-by-case basis. Sellers or agents can't give gift funds directly. A gift letter. This letter must clearly state the amount of the gift, that it's not a loan and will not have to be repaid, who the donor is, and the relationship to the borrower. They have to provide proof of funds. The donor needs to show that they had funds available, usually a bank statement. Number 4 is a paper trail. The transfer must be documented. No random cash deposits. If any piece is missing, your lender may not be able to use the gift. So you're wondering if your aunt can help you buy your first home. Well, she probably can. But if she sends the money straight to the title company without a letter or proof of funds, it might delay your whole deal. Best move, talk to your loan officer before anyone sends a dime. That way, you'll follow the right steps from the beginning. A client of ours was receiving gift funds from a parent to use their VA loan to buy their first house. And the gift funds were going to help pay the closing costs because they weren't negotiated to be paid by the seller. So parents were willing to provide the money and they signed the gift letter, but they were unwilling to provide their bank statements to show the proof of where the money originated from. This almost killed the deal until it got down to the last minute and their kiddo was about to lose their home because mom and dad didn't want to show their private information. But it's absolutely required and there's no way to get around it. So the beautiful thing is our team will provide the template for the gift letter. This is not something you need to draft up, and we will help coach the donor to avoid the mistakes or potential delays like a parent not wanting to provide their statements. Think of gift funds like getting a check for your birthday. If there's no name or note, no one knows where it came from. So here's some of the common mistakes and how to avoid them. The top mistakes that we see: no gift letter, and it must be signed by both parties and include full details. No proof of funds. This is a tough one because a lot of parents don't want to show their bank statements, but they need to if they're giving money. And no transfer documentation. If the money hits your account, the lender needs to see how it got there. The wrong source. Seller incentives or agent funds are not allowed as gifts. So the bottom line, gift funds can be a win, but only if you follow VA lender rules step by step. So if you're planning on using gift funds for your next VA home purchase, we will help with all that. We'll guide you and your donor through the correct paperwork, the timing of the transfers, what to avoid so your deal stays on track. So book a free call with us at valoanguy.us or just click the link below in the bio. And if you want our free gift letter template or documentation checklist, just ask. Let's make family help count the right way.